Efficiently construct FEM/FVM matrix. This is a typical use case for FEM/FVM equation systems, so is perhaps of broader interest. From a triangular mesh a.la. I would like to create a scipy.sparse.csr_ matrix. The matrix rows/columns represent values at the nodes of the mesh. The matrix has entries on the main diagonal and wherever two nodes are connected by an edge. Here's a MUE that first builds a node, edge, cells relationship, and then builds the matrix. With one can create and view a profile of the above. The method Toxer takes the lion's share of the runtime here, but this is also true when building alpha is more complex. Consequently, I'm looking for ways to speed this up. What I've already found. Due to the structure of the data, the values on the diagonal of the matrix can be summed up in advance, i.e. this makes I, J, V shorter and thus speeds up Toxer. Right now, edges are per cell. I could identify equal edges with each other using numpy.unique, effectively saving about half of I, J, V. However, I found that this too takes some time. Not surprising. One other thought that I had was that I could replace the diagonal V, I, J by a simple numpy.add. if there was a CSR_ matrix like data structure where the main diagonal is kept separately. I know that this exists in some other software packages, but couldn't find it in scipy. Correct? Perhaps there's a sensible way to construct CSR directly?
So, in the end this turned out to be the difference between CUS and CSR some_ duplicates, just like at Polly suspected. Thanks to the efforts of everyone involved here, particularly at Paul Panzer, a PR is underway to give Toxer a tremendous speed up. Scipy's Toxer does a lexort on I, J, so it helps organizing the indices in such a way that I, J, will come out fairly sorted already. For nx equals 4, ny equals 2 in the above example, I and j are. First sorting each row of cells, then the rows by the first column like produces. For the number in the original post, sorting cuts down the runtime from about 40 seconds to 8 seconds. Perhaps an even better ordering can be achieved if the nodes are numbered more appropriately in the first place. I'm thinking of Cuthill McKee and friends.
I would try creating the CSR structure directly, especially if you are resorting to np.unique since this gives you sorted keys, which is half the job done. I'm assuming you are at the point where you have I, J sorted lexicographically and overlapping V summed using np.add.add on the optional inverse output of np.unique. Then V and J are already in CSR format. All that's left to do is creating the mtr, which you simply get by np.searchordered np.arrange m+1, where m is the column length. You can pass these directly to the sparse.csr_matrix constructor. Okay, let code speak. Prince? Speed up, 5x.